how to reset Google Chrome settings in 2025. Let's start from the beginning. First of all, open your Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome you have to click on these three dots, and if in these three dots you will see lots of options, but you have to scroll down a little bit, and you will see more tools, help, and then settings. Now after that you will see this bar in the left side. Just scroll little bit down, you will see system and then reset settings, and if you click on that you will see restore settings. Click on that and now click on reset setting. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.